Kajing penbet penbiang ke Sarkar Jela ya ke New Shillong City kalaya cekmat nado ki jingtai beper lem ki Surok pat Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ukon red ke sangma haga jubab jong u ya ke jingatai ke lum halor ke mangtingka arja arpesan arja arpenrio haga sngi banyo ke dorbar mangtingka jong ke yang dorbar thawan ulapen I ya ki projek bakongsan kum ke Secretariat batmai ke Unity Mall bat ke Monolith Towers. Kat kum kejing batai Menteri Rangba uloong bayakini ki projek ladap mangtingka jankot arspa klur nak Sarkar India. Shu ula batai halor ka rukom shna Surok shan New Shillong ha kabalashna bakanamuan ra ya kejing dheng kali. Shu ula pun I ya ki Surok ki badaya na Shillong shan New Shillong ha kaba ki don kat southly kata nyotli ki baya chakmat ban pentrai ki kentop na Belafont maupat kenton shalingkien briba ke Surok urban na New Assembly shan nift na ummer shan mau khanu Surok shading pasok ban mau lai bypass shanong trau. Kiwai pat nyot lagi Surok ki badangdan ha padang kentop ya kabana polo sha Belafont maupan sha nongkolo mau kenreng sha lum ding sai sha Shillong bypass mau ka siang sha mau len rei mau spot bat mau lengat.
So this is the new Shillong. Now sir, this is important. If we can just zoom into the Unity Mall, just to give a flavor sir to our members about how this design happened. So again, this is most probably one of the best designs unofficially mentioned to me by the concerned ministers in the center. They were highly happy and impressed with the design that we had, doing it in a much more traditional manner and not with just simply concrete and bricks and cement, but giving it a very, very kind of a traditional touch to it. Of course, the architectural designs have been taken from different areas, but just to share, sir, that this was done with a lot of expertise, and we were one of the first states to submit the proposal, and obviously we were one of the first states to get the sanction also for this. Already tender has been done, and work is under progress. So similarly, if you look at the new Secretariat, and so funding for this project is already done, the Unity Mall. So new Secretariat again, we went through multiple processes. We looked at new, old designs, modern designs, sustainable designs, and ultimately, though it was a very difficult choice for us, we went ahead with this particular design because we looked at the next 50 years, 100 years, 150 years that a structure like this would have to sustain. And so keeping the sustainability in mind, this was put in. So the third one is again a very ambitious project. Again, funding for this has already been procured from Government of India, part funding. Again, this has been done because of the implementation of the tourism challenge mode that I had mentioned to you in my last debate, that there was a challenge fund and we were able to submit the projects on time, and among the northeast states, we are the state that got the highest amount of 200 crores because of, again, the timely proposals and the quality of the proposals that we submitted. So overall, sir, you will see, please shrink it. So overall, you will see that these are the kind of projects that are going on right now, sir. The funding for all of this has already been linked. I don't want to go into details of it, but you can just see the screen. And so we are in the finalization of the projects where we will be getting the tendering will be done for the projects that are in the green and on the right side, sir. So this is the short story of Shillong City. Sir, why are we focusing on the new Shillong City? So as mentioned, sir, while we are doing so many other projects when it comes to skilling, when it comes to tourism, when it comes to farmers, until unless we don't have a robust urban growth, we will face large number of challenges. So we need to ensure that the growth story is spread out across sectors and spread out in every aspect, whether it's agriculture, whether it's tourism, whether it's social sectors, or whether it is the urban infrastructure. And therefore, for Shillong to get decongested, for the growth of the Shillong city to be taking it to the next level, so it is important for us to invest in the new city. Just to share a nice glimpse, the next slide. So this is a beautiful example of what we're doing. Some members were asking me earlier that what about the road projects? So there are large number of road projects. I will share that with you in the next slide. But just to give an example of how this is, can you just zoom into it? You can show from the left side and then going to the right side. So this is how it will be, sir. This is going to be a very, very modern, and so these are happening as we speak. This is not about the plans we have. This is being implemented right now. So we will actually have a very large walking space, footpath of almost 2 meters. We'll have a 1.8 meter of cycling track, so people can cycle. And we'll have 4 lanes in both sides, so that this becomes a modern city with amenities that can be there for, if not 100 years, but at least the next 50 years to 60 years. We should be able to cater to the needs of the city. I have asked the department that if it's possible, please create further space on the right side so we can have more green space for people to be able to walk. So this is large already, but I wish to make it slightly more broader with more green space so that we can actually have maybe some flower beds on the side and more beautification. And so about close to 23 kilometers of this road is being constructed in New Shillong as we speak. So this is the kind of vision with which we're moving forward, sir, and this is happening. The funding for this has already been tied down. So we're not going to have to look at different sources, whether it's through PM Divine, whether it's through SASKI and other schemes. We are working ahead and moving ahead. So next. So this next slide. This just shows you the roads that are already going on and the roads that we plan to invest in. Again, sir, I don't want to go into details, but you will just zoom into the map. So if you can see, sir, the black ones are the ones that are already the roads. Just go up a bit. Just slide it up a bit. Yeah. So the black ones are the ongoing projects. So you can see how many of them are there. There are under sanction and conceptual projects. There are few more that is there, which is going to be implemented. Again, funding for all of these have been tied down. So we are going with a very large, again, plan to ensure that the road connectivity between the Shillong, the Shillong city, new administrative city, and the knowledge city is connected. So this is just to give a flavor to the members, because as I said, I cannot go into the whole details, otherwise it's going to take a lot of time. But again, just to share that the ongoing projects are on the top. So projects like the Belfont Maupat to Shillong, New Shillong Township is already under construction. I think it's going to be done in a few months' time. The Kinton to Lin Kyun Road, and so on and so forth. So you can see the whole list. These are the different projects that are there. So in the first part of my reply, I have tried to just cover the overall growth plan, story, vision, what we have achieved, and the facts been presented to the House, and also showing what we plan to do in the coming years to be able to then take the state to that goal that we would want.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.